Have a look at the living room. There's so much of walkable space. So this is a decent size of kitchen where you get L shape. Is your master bedroom. Again, a spacious master bed. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you sample flat tour of Nirvana Emerald by Nirvana Group located in Chembur. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office and the actual tower as well. Have a look at it. Also have a look at the neighborhood and the main road. This road right here leads you to the main road. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now, you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 797.8 square meters with single tower, ground plus 14 residential floors with configuration of 1 and 2 BHK. Talking about amenities, this project has 10 plus amenities which includes gym, kids play area, indoor game zone, outdoor game zone and many more. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located in Chembur, Subhas Nagar with Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 5 minutes, Chembur station at a distance of just 2 minutes and monorail at a distance of just 5 minutes. School, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Now let me give you this 1 BHK actual flat tour with carpet area of 405 square feet. As we enter, right here is your living room. Have a look at the living room. There's so much of walkable space in this living room. So the layout of the flat is well planned. There's no wastage, I assume. And then right in front is going to be your kitchen. Come, let's have a look at the kitchen. So this is a decent size of kitchen where you get L shape of platform. Right here you can place your refrigerator. So not a very spacious kitchen, but yeah, a good decent kitchen. And look at the space. There you get window for ventilation. And then here in living room you get L shape of window. French window, so that's good light, sunlight, ventilation in your living room. And then right in front is going to be your common washroom for your guests, which you'll be getting with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Have a look at the washroom. A decent sized washroom. And then now we'll be checking the master bedroom, but before that, let me tell you some key highlights of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on Housey.com, so don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. Now let's go check out the master bedroom. As we enter, right here is your master bedroom. Again, a spacious master bedroom, I say. You can see the amount of walkable space in this room. And then L shape of French window for good sunlight and ventilation in your master bedroom as well. And then comes your attached washroom, a decent size of attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. So everyone, this was the 1 BHK actual flat tour of Nirvana Emerald by Nirvana Group. To get more information about this very amazing project, do download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.